Hey guys, it's Sydney and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here, and if you are, make sure you click that red button and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And Steven's on the phone outside. And click the bell to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on a video. And let's just roll the intro so we can get right into this video. So for today, I am having YouTubers decide what Starbucks drinks I get for a week. So most likely their go-to order, or whatever the case may be, whatever they want me to try. My YouTube friends, they're just gonna tell me what to order for a week. So this should be very interesting. I always stick to the same like 2 Starbucks orders, so should be a little weird, a little different for me. I got this idea from my friend Courtney, and she will be the first one up in this video. She posted this a few days ago, and I was like, oh my gosh, that's such an amazing idea. That looks like so much fun, and a great way to get like your YouTube friends involved and more communities in the YouTube community involved, and it's just a fun little thing. So we are going to head to Starbucks right now. So let's watch Courtney's video right now that she sent me of her Starbucks order, and then we will head on over there. So I'll put it like right here on the screen.
Sydney, so for today, I think you should have a salted cream foam cold brew. It is so good. I just had it for the first time probably like 2 weeks ago, and it's my favorite drink. So you should try it, but don't drink it out of a straw. Like, don't use a straw, just use the lid, because apparently you're supposed to like have a sip of foam with every sip of coffee, if that makes sense. I made that mistake of drinking out of a straw. It wasn't as good, so definitely do that. And yeah, so I hope your video turns out well. Bye.
She's so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm actually really happy. I was scared she was gonna have some kind of like sugary drink or something. My arm is getting tired holding this. I like need coffee right now. I like need energy. So it's taking so much willpower to not just like skip this whole plan and just go get like my go-to drink, which is a iced coffee with 3 pumps of vanilla and coconut milk and a shot of espresso. Yeah, so I'm really glad that she has like a cold brew. I like cold brew. I've never tried this specific one that she mentioned, so let's go try it. Oh! Hi. Okay, what does she get? Okay. Could I get a grande salted cream cold foam cold brew? Or is that right?
Yeah, absolutely. Anything else for you today?
What do you want? Do you want any?
Thanks.
Are you sure? Okay. That'll be it.
Perfect. 480 is going to be your total at the window.
Okay, thank you. Hi there.
480 today.
All right. Thank you. I'm so excited.
There you go. Have a good one.
You too. Okay, here it is. Courtney, here's your drink. I'm gonna park so I can fully pay attention, because I almost killed Steven and I on our way here, so we don't want that again. So I don't know how you like drink this. Like, do you let it, I don't remember, I know Courtney said to like get it with the lid, which here it is, and you're supposed to like drink the foam with the coffee. So are you not supposed to stir it like a macchiato? I'm not really sure. Do you like just drink it? Steven, he's holding the camera for me. Do you just like drink it? Mm-hmm. So you don't like stir it or anything?
No.
You just go for it?
But she said to get coffee and foam in every sip.
Oh, true. Okay. Ah, my lid shocked me.
That's good.
Wait, try it. That's actually so good.
Wow. Yeah.
That's really, you want to be in it?
No.
Okay.
Camera shot.
That's actually really good, because Steven, he gets like the cold foam cold brew. I don't know what I'm saying, if that's correct at all, but it's just like normal, but it's like they make the foam taste like the like salted caramel or caramel, whatever it was. Oh my gosh, and you get it with every sip, and wow, that is actually really, really good. Dang, this could be a new order for me. This could be a new one. But also, I like haven't eaten anything today besides like a banana. So I'm gonna be bouncing off the walls in like 2 seconds because like cold brew is just intense, but I'm here for it. That's insane. Well, thanks Courtney for literally having me discover a new drink that I like. I'm really excited to see everyone else's drinks now because now I'm really amped up. Now I'm gonna be spending even more of my money at Starbucks. So like, this is great, thanks, but like, no thanks. But like, Hey guys, so it is day 2. I don't know why I had to think about that. It's literally only the 2nd day. But I am in my car. I'm just about to leave to go to Starbucks. It's actually like 2 in the afternoon and I've already had coffee this morning, and so I don't know obviously what I'm getting right now. I'm gonna watch another one of my gal's videos. But yeah, you ever get like the feeling like I don't really know if I'm like in the mood for another coffee? So I'm kind of hoping, I think I'm gonna have my girl Morella tell me what to get today. But I really hope that she gives me like, I don't know, like a tea or something, because you know how like coffee like makes you poop? Like, okay, maybe it doesn't like make everyone poop, but sometimes coffee really makes me poop. TMI, but like, hi, welcome to my channel. So like, I feel like this one, if it's coffee, I'm like really gonna have to poop really bad, which is like weird, sorry, but like it's the truth. But yeah, that's kind of just like how I'm feeling today, since I already had my coffee this morning and then I was like, oh crap, I need to like do this part of my video today. So I'm going to leave for Starbucks, but first let's watch the video.
Hey Sid, it's Morella. My channel is Morella Belle Beauty. From Starbucks, I always get one of 2 things. My number one go-to is just a venti iced green tea, unsweetened, because I hate sugar in my tea. And then my second one is also a venti iced chai tea latte. And I have to have it with coconut milk because, first of all, I'm vegan, and also real milk is gross and sour, and the coconut milk is like really good and sweet.
Ah, amazing! Yes, Morella, I knew you wouldn't let me down. Okay, perfect. So I think, I don't really know. I'm like not really a tea person. I'm like kind of a tea person, but I like it sweet since I'm not like super tea person. So I think I'm gonna try the chai tea latte, or yeah, the chai tea latte. I think that's the second one she said. I've never had a chai tea latte before. Like never tried it, never had it. It's just never like sparked my attention, and like I've never been like, oh, I wanna spend $5 on a chai tea latte, or I don't even know how much they are. But you know what I mean? So I think I'm going to go with that one. So let's go to Starbucks. Yeah, so I just pulled up to the drive-thru at my nearest Starbucks, and they put a little sign out that says the headsets are broken and they have the drive-thru blocked off, and I'm too much of a chicken to go in and vlog by myself because I don't have Steven here with me to like hold my camera and stuff. So I'm just gonna drive to another Starbucks because it's not that far. Yay, love that this is like in my favor today. All right, detour, let's go. So this is just comedy at this point. I just drove to another Starbucks. I'm here. And this one doesn't have a drive-thru either, even though I looked up Starbucks drive-thru. Yeah. Also, I knew Morella is a vegan, and I love that she uses coconut milk because I use coconut milk in all of my coffee. Okay, it's like really windy. But I love that she uses coconut milk in her tea for like the chai tea latte, because it's a latte so it has milk. Because I use coconut milk in all of my coffee, as I was saying, because I am vegetarian. I'm not full-on vegan, but I don't like dairy. I like to use all the dairy alternatives, so I buy and I like ask for everything with a dairy alternative, so I dig that. Let's go try a chai tea. And also, I know she said venti, but I'm gonna get like a grande because like I just don't know if I'm gonna like it, you know? So like, I don't wanna be wasteful. Also, I like don't know what I'm wearing because I thought I was gonna be in a drive-thru, so like this is fun. Could I get a grande chai tea latte but with coconut milk?
Yeah. Is that hot today?
Iced, please.
Sounds good.
So I got our cute little chai tea latte with coconut milk. What is chai? Like what? I don't... Is this one of those things I just keep drinking? Like, cause I don't know if I like it or not. Is chai like cinnamon? I mean, I'm saying this like you guys are gonna respond like ASAP, but I think chai is like cinnamon, so does that mean like... I'm not really a cinnamon fan. This is a lot more like spicy, like it's spiceful. Words, what are words? So I'm definitely not used to this. I don't like hate it, but I'm not obsessed. I'm definitely glad I didn't get a venti though. That was a good call on my part. But I mean, I dig trying something new. But I'm very unsure about it. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. I'll have to like marinate with it for a little while, you know? Hayes, good morning. I need caffeine. I need something in my system. So today, my girl Gianna, she is going to tell me what to get at Starbucks. I love this girl. Long story, we collabed once. Literally, I get back to Arizona to edit our little collab. So freaking cute. And my memory card broke and all the footage was gone. So, LOL, throwback to that. But I love you, Gianna.
Hey, Queen. Okay, so I feel like everyone is going to suggest like gross things or like super sugary or like crazy, but I kind of want to help you like find a new staple drink. So I'm gonna suggest this to you and hopefully you love it and then get it all the time. So I want you to get a grande iced chai latte with coconut milk and 2 shots of espresso. And I'll leave this part up to you. You can do blonde roast or just regular espresso, but that is my favorite drink. It's so good. It's just a dirty chai, so let me know if you like it.
Oh my gosh, wait, that's so funny. I literally got a chai tea latte yesterday, you know, like 30 seconds ago in this video. And I don't really know if I like chai, but maybe I'll like a dirty chai because I didn't have espresso in it and I do need espresso right now. So maybe I'll get, I forget if she said like a double shot, but I'm kind of feeling like a double shot of espresso. So maybe I'll like it more with a little bit of a coffee-y taste to it rather than just like an overpowering chai taste. So I'm in the drive-thru right now. I just need to refresh if Gianna said anything like super specific.
2 shots of espresso, and I'll leave this part up to you.
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. What can we do for you?
Hi, can I do a grande iced chai latte with coconut milk?
Yeah, what else can we do for you?
Could I throw 2 shots of espresso in there as well?
Yeah, we'll have 2 shots. Anything else?
That's it.
Good morning.
Hi, morning.
7:29 for you today.
Okay.
And your chai.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thanks.
Okay, so I am parked and everything. Also, I want to give the disclaimer that I am recycling, you know, don't like clock me for the whole environment thing because like if anything, if you guys know me, I freaking love the environment, so like don't even. Okay, so trying out Gianna's suggestion of a dirty chai with coconut milk. I must say, it's a little bit smoother for me, like as a dirty chai than just like a normal chai, because the spice flavor of like the chai tea isn't as like strong, like with the espresso in it, I think, or maybe they just like put more milk in it than like yesterday's, but I like this. I can dig this. It does have an acquired taste. Like I said, I'm not really a big tea person, but I could really get used to this. Yeah, so this is awesome. Thank you, Gianna. And I'm really glad you suggested a dirty chai because I really needed espresso this morning. So thank you so much for that. And I gotta go to work now. Okay, bye. Hey guys, all right, it is the next day. You camera shy? Yeah, and so another day, another Starbucks drink by one of my friends. Anyways, so today my friend Liz is going to be telling me what to get from Starbucks. You guys know the routine by now, so let's see what she wants me to get.
Hey Sydney, okay, I am so excited for this video. What you will be ordering is an iced coffee with soy milk and hazelnut. I hope you enjoy. It's my current obsession, so I'm hoping that you love it as much as I do. Have the best time and enjoy.
I love her. She's literally so cute. You guys need to check out, well, check out everyone's videos in this video, but Liz is, she's so cute. I love her. She's so positive. And what are you doing right now? All right, so yeah, I'm actually really happy about her recommendation. My usual drink is actually an iced coffee, but with vanilla and coconut milk. So kind of same, but different. Hi, could I get a grande iced coffee with soy milk and hazelnut?
Soy milk and hazelnut. Anything else?
That's it.
Awesome. I'll see you at the window.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. Here is, I don't know, the verdict. This is just how it goes. Ooh, I dig this. I usually get my iced coffee from Starbucks with less pumps because they put so many pumps of the syrup in it. But this actually doesn't taste as overpowering as the vanilla syrup that like I will get. I dig this. I'm a really big fan. I'm gonna start getting hazelnut in my coffee a lot more often because hazelnut just like it's never sound appealing to me, but like I guess it's really good because I like this right now. See ya tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the last day actually of this little video. I just did 5, if you've been kind of counting, instead of 7, like a 5-day week instead of a 7-day week. You know what I mean? Yeah, so today is the last day, last Starbucks drink. Our last and final YouTuber who's going to tell me what to get from Starbucks, of course, is my boyfriend, Steven. Obviously, he's not here right now, but I have a video from him. So let's see what this little booger wants me to get from Starbucks. And I can probably already guess what it is.
Hi Monkey, hope you're having a great day so far. Just get my normal drink, the pinkety drink from Starbucks. Just kidding, how about a grande cold brew? That's it, nothing in it. Enjoy that bitterness because it's, c'est magnifique. All right, have a great day, babe.
He's so cute. I literally knew that he was going to make some kind of like pinkety drinkety or James Charles joke, honestly. I need coffee right now. I am just leaving his house actually. Today is like my me day. I'm going to be working on YouTube stuff all day long today, so I need my coffee, and I knew that he was going to tell me to get a cold brew because he always just gets an iced black cold brew all the time. We are here at Starbucks. Sorry if the lighting is awful, and let's do this thing.
Hi there, what can we get started for you?
Hi, could I just get a grande black cold brew?
Sure thing, anything else?
That's it.
We'll see you up here.
Thanks. I'm really excited because I need my coffee to get my day going right now. Oh, this is like a perfect lighting. So since we are reaching the end of the video, comment down below what your guys' go-to Starbucks drink or just coffee in general. It doesn't have to be Starbucks. Because I just would really like to know. It's always interesting to me to see what people usually get from Starbucks.
And
Hi.
$3.73.
Okay. There's that.
Receipt.
No, thank you.
All right, thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so I have here my iced black cold brew. Well, like obviously it's iced because it's cold brew, so. So good. This could be another new go-to. Thank you, Steven. Thank you, baby. Okay, so that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you to all my pals for sending me a video of what they usually get from Starbucks. Thank you guys so much for participating. It was so much fun. I love you all. Everyone's YouTubes will be linked in the description below. Anyways, that's it. So don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell button to turn on your notifications so you know when I upload, because now I upload twice a week, Wednesday and Sunday. Okay, thank you for watching. I love you. Bye guys.